Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twice.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is actually the 10th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos, and I'm pretty excited. I'm so excited. Please don't forget to subscribe and be part of the family. Thank you. So today I'm going to show you how to cover up your messy hair, but honestly this did not go the way I planned. Well, I think everything I'm doing is self-explanatory, but I'll show you where I kind of messed up. Like, I don't understand. Like, the idea was kind of cool in my head until I did it, and it just turned out really funny. So yeah, this is the funny part. So what I did was that I packed my hair and turned it into a bun, and then the coily part I left it at the front to give this kind of nice coily look. And honestly, I don't know, I wasn't feeling this. Like, I don't know, it's supposed to be cute, but the back, sis girl, it's actually not so bad, but I don't know, I think you can rock this. Like, you can use a scarf to tie the back, and so the top will just be bun and then the front will be fringe. That will make it really cute. So for the next style, I'm actually doing like 2 pigtails, and then I'll braid each pigtail and then just turn it into a bun. This will actually distract like anybody from noticing if your braids are old or not, you understand? So yeah, this is actually a cute, nice hairstyle that you can rock. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just came back from work and I was really tired, and I was like, I need to put out something. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and also leave a comment. Mwah. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.